Hello, I'm attorney David M. Chester, and today we're here to discuss choosing a car accident lawyer. Now, in this day and age of auto insurance companies fighting almost all claims vigorously and litigating a significant number of lawsuits, it's important to hire a personal injury lawyer whom you will trust will go all the way to court, all the way to a jury for you, if necessary. While of course no one factor is determinative of a good outcome to your claim, in my experience, without the threat of a lawsuit, the auto insurance companies don't have any real risk, such as a negative jury verdict. Now, there are many Ohio personal injury lawyers and law firms who litigate their clients' claims all the way to a jury when needed. It's important to hire an experienced personal injury attorney who will go to court and fight for your rights. In addition, since litigation is more likely these days, especially on cases with significant injuries, you may also want to ask your potential attorney if he or she will advance litigation expenses if the case goes to court. Personally, I suggest that your lawyer's litigation history and actual client results be your starting point. Once again, filing suit to get a fair settlement is needed more and more these days. And in this day of lower and lower settlement offers in Ohio, an experienced lawyer who is willing to repeatedly fight for his clients in court is essential to a good result. If any personal injury lawyer you talk to says he settles almost all of his cases outside of court, it has to make you wonder, how can you get a good result in the current low offer climate in Ohio? It's also important to note that the results different lawyers get are not always the same. While every case is different, as a general rule, if your Ohio car accident attorney won't answer the above questions to your satisfaction, I suggest you continue your lawyer search. Results are what matter. The days of quick, fair settlements outside of court without an experienced, seasoned lawyer are ending. So pick your lawyer wisely. Another factor to consider when hiring an Ohio personal injury lawyer is how you are treated by the lawyer and their staff at the lawyer's office and how you feel when interacting with them. I think it's a good idea to trust your gut when hiring a lawyer. Are you comfortable with the lawyer and their staff in your initial contact? Are all of your questions answered fully and respectfully in your initial meeting? Are you meeting with an actual personal injury lawyer, just a paralegal, or no one at all? Does it seem that they care about you and your needs? Do you get a gut feeling that the lawyer and staff will go to bat for you, or does it just seem like they're going through the motions and you're just another number? Do you feel the lawyer values you and your claim? Does your lawyer and staff return your calls promptly? These questions are important because you will most likely be entering into an important long-term relationship with the lawyer and his or her staff. It's important that your gut reaction be that you trust them to take care of you or someone you love. With your experienced lawyer's help and guidance, you will be making important decisions that can affect the rest of your life. It's important that your lawyer be a partner in this process with you. I also suggest considering hiring a lawyer who spends most or all of his time doing personal injury law. Now, many lawyers handle personal injury claims, but fewer have both the knowledge and the experience to effectively deal with all of the complicated changing laws in the Ohio personal injury field. To put it another way, you probably wouldn't hire a general surgeon to do delicate brain surgery on you, would you? Now, for more information on handling your personal injury claim in Ohio, request a copy of my free book and video.